Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll need to locate the person you want to block in your Messenger app. You have two options here. You can either scroll through your existing conversations to find the person, or if you want to do it faster, click on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in their name. This search feature makes it much quicker to find specific contacts, especially if you have a lot of active conversations going on. Once you've found the person either through your conversation list or the search results, go ahead and click on their chat to open it. This will bring up your conversation history with that person and give you access to the settings you'll need for blocking them. Now look at the top of your screen where you'll see an information icon. This icon typically looks like a lowercase I inside a circle, or sometimes appears as 3 dots depending on your device. Click on this information icon to access the detailed settings and options for this specific conversation. This is where Messenger stores all the important controls for managing your interactions with individual contacts. After clicking the information icon, you'll see a menu appear with various options related to this conversation. Scroll down through these options until you find the one labeled Block. This option is specifically designed to prevent this person from contacting you through Messenger, so it's an important privacy and safety feature that Facebook provides to help you control who can reach you on the platform. When you click on Block, Facebook Messenger wants to make sure you're certain about this action, so a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message typically explains what blocking someone means, like they won't be able to message you or see when you're active on Messenger. Take a moment to read through this if you need to understand the full implications of blocking. To finalize the process, click Block one more time on the confirmation message. This second confirmation ensures you don't accidentally block someone, and once you confirm, the person will immediately be blocked from contacting you through Messenger. And that's it! You've successfully blocked someone on Facebook Messenger, and they'll no longer be able to send you messages or see your active status. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.